Poland's Ministry of National Defense has signed a contract to buy new light tactical vehicles. The new vehicles are to replace the outdated, locally built Honker vehicles and increase the mobility of the Polish army. The Minister of National Defense, Mr. Mariusz Blaszczak, said, "We have ordered nearly 400 vehicles, which will be produced by the Rosomak plant in a very short time. The era of Honkers is becoming history. We are introducing a proven vehicle, ready for military use in the shortest possible time." The Lekkich Pojazdów Rozpoznawczych (LPR) vehicle is a Polish variant of the KLTV four-wheel drive armored vehicle produced by the Kia concern. The Raycolt, or the Kia Light Tactical Vehicle, KLTV, is a light utility vehicle released by South Korea's Kia Motors. It entered full production in 2016 and entered service with the Republic of Korea Army the same year. It was originally designed to meet the needs of the South Korean Armed Forces and was developed with assistance and funding from the South Korean Ministry of National Defense. Kia KLTV is operated by the Armed Forces of the Republic of Korea and Mali. The Kia KLTV has been used in UN peacekeeping operations in Lebanon and in South Sudan by South Korea. It is also being used by the Malian Armed Forces for counterinsurgency operations.